Chapter 13, Complex Reaction Mechanisms. Section 13.9, Electron Transfer Reactions. There are many types of electron transfer reactions that involve different mechanisms. Here we introduce three common types of electron transfer reactions. Number 1, inner sphere electron transfer in a solution. Number 2, outer sphere electron transfer in a solution. Number 3, heterogeneous electron transfer between a solution and a solid. So first, inner sphere electron transfer in a solution. In a solution, we may have different transition metal complexes, and then two redox centers may be connected via covalent bonds during the electron transfer. For example, in an aqueous solution, we may have these two transition metal complexes, and it's possible for this chlorine or chloride ligand to connect this cobalt center and this chromium center, and this electron transfer occurs through this chloride ligand bridge, and it's called inner sphere electron transfer in a solution. Again, there's a bridge from cobalt to chlorine to chromium. And the second type is the outer sphere electron transfer in a solution. In this case, again, we have two transition metal complexes with two metal centers. These two metal centers may undergo redox reactions, but in this case, the two redox centers are not connected via bonds. Electrons hop from one center to another. Markov theory proposes this mechanism. You have an electron donor denoted by D, electron acceptor denoted by A. They get really close to each other, but there's no bond between these two complexes. And then electron hops from D to A, from the donor to the acceptor. Now D becomes D plus, A becomes A minus, and then they separate. Again, D and A stand for electron donor and acceptor. One example is the reduction of iron 3 by iron 2 in water. So we have these two transition metal complexes. We have this iron 2 plus, iron 3 plus, and they get close to each other, and then an electron may hop from this iron 2 to iron 3. And then this iron 2 becomes iron 3, this iron 3 becomes iron 2. Now the third type, heterogeneous electron transfer between a solution and a solid. Because we have a liquid phase, we have a solid phase, this is called heterogeneous electron transfer. Here's one example. If we have a zinc copper electrochemical cell, we have a zinc electrode, we have a copper electrode. So this zinc and this copper are in the solid state. However, they are also immersed in a solution. And over here, zinc may lose 2 electrons to form zinc 2 plus, and then dissolved in the solution. On the right hand side, copper 2 plus may get 2 electrons and form a copper atom deposited on the copper electrode.